Welcome students. Once again we are seeing video number 2. Myself Professor Mrs. Jyoti alias Manisha Sanjay Patil from Swami Ramanand Bharati Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Tasgaon, taking pleasure to introduce you the remaining part of transformation of sentences. In that we have already seen the types simple, compound and complex sentences, and as well as some of the transformations with examples. Now we are going to turn towards the transformation of complex sentences into simple sentences and compound sentences. In that, first we are seeing the transformation of complex sentences into compound form. It can be done with three ways, either by using and, or by using but, or by using or. By using and, the example is showing, I am sure that you are doing your best. You are doing your best and I am sure of it. This is the first example. And second one, by using but. Though I saw her, I did not speak to her. In this, I saw her but did not speak to her. This is the transformation in compound form. Then third point is by using or. He would gladly give me money if he had any. Answer is he had no money or he would gladly give me. Or is used to form its compound sentence. And we are turning towards complex sentences, their transformation into simple sentences. For our summary writing section, brainstorming activities, it is very important. See, it also can be done in three ways. First is by changing subordinate clause into noun clause. Example is, this proved that he was innocent. This is the subordinate clause. We have to turn into noun clause to be innocent. This proved him to be innocent. Okay. Second way is changing subordinate clause into adverb clause. Example is, tell me when and where your friend arrived. It is rather difficult, but see example, tell me the time and place of your friend's arrival. The third way is changing subordinate clause into relative clause. Example, people who live in glass houses must not throw stones. Its transformation is, people living in glass houses must not throw stones. And we are seeing this in particular because we have to see our textbook page number 140, where we are seeing transformation of complex sentences into simple sentences is introduced a little bit. And here by using phrases like to or using nouns or phrase instead of a clause. The example is, Nagpur is the city where oranges grow. Oranges grow in Nagpur. Then see the second example. The old man is so weak that he cannot walk. Its answer is, the old man is too weak to walk. And with this, we are going to see the apposition along with it, which is highlighted on page number 139. See the part of apposition. What is told? Apposition is a grammatical construction in which two elements, normally noun phrases, are placed side by side with one element serving to identify the other in a different way. The two elements are said to be in apposition. So, apposition can be used to make the compound sentences about and short and simple. It means it is also the way of transformation of compound sentences into simple. And the example given is Neha is their eldest child and she is very intelligent. And its answer is in this way. Neha, their eldest child, is very intelligent. And the second example is Deepika is my favorite student and she is very bright. Answer is Deepika, my favorite student, is very bright. With the help of transforming complex sentences into simple as well as apposition, here is one activity given to us. It is again on page number 140. See here. It is highlighted. Change the following sentences into simple forms. Okay. These 4 examples we have to solve. In that, the first example is Mr. Rohit is the member and he is also the director. When we transform it in simple form with the help of apposition, the answer is Mr. Rohit, the member, is also the director. And then again sentence number D. It is also we have to transform into simple form with the help of apposition. He was late, so he walked in a great hurry. Its answer we have to write. He, being late, walked in a great hurry. The remaining two, B and C, these examples we are going to solve with the help of the given points in this transforming complex to sentence. Okay, and with the help of this, see how will be the answer. Second one, the room is so small that it cannot accommodate many people. Its answer is the room is too small to accommodate many people. And third statement is you have to prove that you are innocent. Its answer is you have to prove to be an innocent. So we have seen the transformation of sentences for the help of our this activity. This activity, as we are knowing, it is on page number 140 of our page and it is 139 also. So activity number 3, in that one, use of noun in apposition as well as the second, transforming complex to simple sentences. The activity given is change into simple sentences. Just now we have covered this activity. Along with this, there are again remaining activities on the page number 138. Activity second, 1, 2 and 3. About this we had seen in the last lecture and the photographs I will send you today. And cut redundant words, avoid adverbs and one word substitution. I will send the photographs and all this we are discussed now. So we can continue the brainstorming activities on our own. You have to solve all these activities in your notebook and be ready for your study. Okay, we are going to see in this way the brainstorming activities and we are going to see many examples also from transformation of sentences which are along with me. And these examples, please see here in this notebook, I had written all the examples and their answers also, means transformations also. So these photographs also I will send to you. You have to copy all these examples in your notebook for your further studies. So students, today in all we had covered transformation of sentences and brainstorming activities. So you will be very intelligent in solving the brainstorming activities with the help of this, and you will be the master of summary writing along with its brainstorming activities. Just I have the confidence and you are also getting the confidence about it. Okay, we will meet again in the next lecture. Still then, stay home, be secure and be safe. Okay.